Hey guys, just take a look at here. I have my action camera connected here to my ATEM Mini. So basically, I can record everything from this camera. As you can see here, the image on a big screen, right? I'm using the camera to record everything there. Basically, I can do that because I'm connecting to the ATEM Mini using this device here with this OBSBot. I can just connect the cable here, HDMI, to the ATEM Mini, and then I connect to power and connect to the Action 4 camera. I can use any camera with the connection with the USB-C and it starts working, okay? So it works pretty good. As you can see here, the result is very, very good. I can use those cameras to connect to my ATEM Mini and record everything. So I've been using this for some time. It works pretty fine. I highly recommend it. You can get your OBSBot on Amazon.